What's up, YouTube? Got another miniature 2 haul today. Somehow I lost my SK pocket screwdriver. I don't know where at. And I saw these on Koon Trucking YouTube channel, and I was finally able to get my hands on a set of them. Now the set is $24.99, or you can buy them separate. And there's a part number for the straight edge one. It's $11.99. And this one is the one I really wanted. It's kind of like a miniature pry bar. And there's a part number. It is $13.99 on the website. Now they were sold out, and that's the problem I had. The closest Mac dealer I could find to me was about an hour away. I sent him messages. I can see we read them, but he would never reply back. I guess he didn't feel like dealing with a $25 order, which is, it's fine. So I went back on Koon Trucking video and commented on it that I wonder if Michael has any that he's willing to ship out. And Mr. Koon actually replied back to the comment I made. Gave me his email address. So I emailed a couple times. And then the last email was like, my Mac dealer's waiting on your phone call or text message. Either one. So I sent Michael a message, and he said, yeah, he had a set, and he'd be willing to ship them out, which I thought was great. Most people wouldn't do that. And since he was willing to, take time out with a $25 order and shipping and everything, I also ended up buying a Ratchet from him. It's a 1/4 inch, 9-inch handle. Now this was, I think, $108.99, $107.99, but it's made in the USA. And see if I can find a part number on it somewhere. That's probably it right there. What is that? MR99 OK. That might be the part number. But yeah, so, and I think shipping was like $9, which, I'm cool with that. I'd rather pay somebody like Michael than actually go and order it off of MacTools.com. And I'll probably end up buying a 1/2-inch drive, a 3/8-inch drive from Michael too. Since he's was nice enough to ship these out to me. Now this is the only Mac tools that I own. And I will say this Ratchet, I don't know if you'll be able to hear it or not. It is the quietest, smoothest Ratchet that I have. I do got let me get my SK Ratchet. Now this is my SK Ratchet. It's a 1/4 inch, but I think it's like a 5-inch handle. I don't know if you can tell the difference on the video. But that SK, I'm gonna say it's twice as loud as that Mac 2 Ratchet. That SK is every bit twice as loud, if not more louder than this Mac 2 one. And a whole lot more smoother. And since Mr. Koon was nice enough to help me out getting that pocket screwdriver, I ordered a couple of shirts from his YouTube store or whatever you call it. I got 2 of them. I think these were about $20 a piece. This is the front. On the front, it just has Koon Trucking LLC. And that one says the same thing. But on the back, I think this just says like Koon Trucking. Yeah. That's all it says. And this one, I think this was awesome. It's got the 10mm socket on it, Snap-on brand, but it says hide and seek world champion, which I thought that was funny. But I said order these because I mean, you know, somebody with as many subscribers, subs as he has, they usually don't reply back to nobody's comments. And I mean, he was nice enough to reply back and, you know, hook me up with a Mac dealer that's willing to ship things out. And it says USA right there on the selector switch. And that selector switch is, it's nice and smooth compared to my, the Max K is the only one I got close by. I mean, you can even hear that one. I mean, it's a little tight. I mean, that could be a good thing. You know, it ain't gonna move on you. But this one right here, you barely hear it if you hear anything at all. I mean, the finish is great on it. I do think the SK, they got one of the best chrome finishes out there though. But yeah, I would definitely be ordering the 3/8 and a 1/2" drive in the Mark II Ratchet. And these screwdrivers, the only bad thing about the screwdriver, I think, on this one is when it's in your pocket, if you got to bend over or anything, I think it might poke you in a titty, which I don't think that'll be a bad thing. I might be okay with that. The handle on it is a comfort grip handle. It's a different material than the SK one I had. It feels different. The SK was all smooth. This one, I don't know, kind of like that matte look, I guess. Where the SK was just smooth and green. Well, that's all I got for this video. Guess it's time to close the window. Just remember, no matter where you go, there you are.